Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of my 1996 Toyota Camry. Today is the day I finally give the engine bay a good cleaning. I'll show you guys how I usually clean the engine bay, and it won't be on Chris Fix's level, but it'll get the job done for sure. So, first thing you want to do is cover your electrical components with a garbage bag to avoid getting it wet. This includes the alternator, battery, wires, and fuses. I personally am just going to remove the battery. Let's put on the garbage bag on the alternator. On my car, the fuse boxes are pretty much waterproof, so I'm just going to make sure the fuse box is properly secure. The MAV sensor and other similar sensors that are exposed, I'm going to leave as is, and just make sure not to blast it with high water pressure. Alright, first I'm going to spray some cleaning solution on the whole engine bay. This is just a general all-purpose cleaner, nothing specifically to target grease or anything. So essentially lather the engine bay with this and make sure to get it on as many surfaces as possible. Now just rinse the engine bay and make sure to not use high pressure. Hood liner, I'm going to use high pressure since it's very dirty. Make sure there's no soap left in the hood liner. I do this by feeling the liner and seeing if my hands get soap on them. Now I'm using a solution made for grease and road grime on this hand mitt and manually getting at the areas that require more than just water and soap. Use more soap as needed and keep getting at all the different areas that are still dirty. Now repeat the process of soap, degreaser, and rinse using various tools to get at areas you need to. You can also shine your metal in the engine bay using some sort of sanding process. In my case, I am just using a simple dish cleaning metal wire sponge. Dry off the engine bay as best as you can. Finally, if you see any places that are still dirty, then use some Lysol wipes to get at the hard to reach places to give them a good clean. With that, we're near the end of this video, and I hope to bring you guys more content soon, so don't forget to subscribe. But before I end this video, I have a small announcement to make. I have sold this car and the new owners are already on their way as I make this video. Fixing up and restoring this car has been a pleasure and it absolutely sucks to let it go. But there was a reason for selling it. Stay tuned for an introduction video to my new daily driver.